You are going to love the 2024 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather shift knob, overhead console, panic alarm. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.